Xerppa's Multilevel Matrix is an advanced tool designed to optimize data visualization in Power BI. In this video, we present some key considerations that will help you take full advantage of its functionalities. Our matrix currently supports up to 1,000 rows. This limitation ensures optimal performance and allows fast and efficient data visualization. For in-depth analysis, use the drill-through techniques we have seen in this course. When performing a horizontal analysis using the columns, the multilevel matrix allows only one measurement in each report. If you enter more than one measurement while the columns are activated, the object will be blank. Simply leave one measurement to return to the normal state. You cannot enter dimension attributes after setting the visual level inside the object. Each time you modify the columns of the matrix, you must remove the visual level to re-enter it. In no case will you lose the level settings you have previously made. At Xerppa we are continuously working on future versions, to expand its capabilities, and to address these considerations by optimizing your data analysis and visualizations.